Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this popcorn chicken. Very delicious and very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to get your chicken breasts, a couple of them or one, and cut them up into the smallest cubes. Marinate them in the buttermilk, some seasoned salt, some paprika, salt and pepper, or whatever your favorites are. And then we're going to let these marinate. Okay, in the bowl you want 1 cup of all-purpose flour, teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and we're just going to whisk this all together. Next, we want to kind of just get this into the flour mixture very well. Okay, we're going to put it in. Okay, look at that, that's delicious. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. These look delicious. Look at the popcorn chicken. Oh my god, that is delicious. Followed by a little bit of pickles. Look, man, these are good. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching my channel, and if you enjoy my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos, and I want y'all to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.